This is a quick preview of one part of the Exciton Boost product that we're coming out with soon, which adds support for rich text fields and MIME and server-side notes formula language. You load the Proton task on the server, and it loads the Exciton Boost beta version along with it. So now we're going to create a document using the create document method in Domino-DB, just a standard, nothing's changed on the client. We're going to run this. This is a straight out of the documentation example using the sample database that's provided with the AppDev pack. So it creates a contact. Nothing different than what you could do right now with Domino-DB without anything else. See, it creates a first name, last name, state, city. With Exciton Boost, we can also add new fields based on a formula. And in this case, we're going to use a formula to create a full name from the first name and last name, just to show you you're executing this on the server side. So we pass the information up as a formula. It gets executed. If you look at the first document we created, there's no full name field. If you look at the second one, there is a full name. And the formula that we passed up was just a simple first name plus space plus last name. But it created something from what information was on the server. Could be an AppDB lookup or anything else. With Exciton Boost, we can also add rich text or MIME fields by specifying HTML. In this case, we're going to pass up a bio, and I added an empty rich text field on the form just so there would be a place to show it. So it's going to set the full name, but it's also going to set the bio. There it is. It's got a link in it and things like that. The formula for that is pretty straightforward too, the HTML for that. All right, finally, we can create dynamic computed HTML. We're going to run this across a query, so it might go on lots of documents. We don't have the information about the names and such. So on each one of them, it's going to compute this formula to create the rich text field. In this case, we'll look at one of the documents that was changed and notice that the formula was first name plus last name and lives in, but it's got HTML in there. It generates HTML on each document relevant to that document. So that's how we use rich text support and formula support to enhance Domino-DB. Thank you.